I've already prepped and primed the natural nail. Now I'm using the Prey Extend Gel, putting some on the nail and the nail tip. I'm going to go in at a 45-degree angle and flash cure them for about 15 seconds. I'm going to show the same steps on the next finger, just a thin layer on the nail, then pulling it on the nail tip and go in at a 45-degree angle. You want to make sure none of the nail glue gets on the skin or just under the nail, so make sure this goes to the free edge. And then after that, I'm using a sanding band and just roughing up the surface. And you also want to drill kind of like where the cuticle is so you can seal it better. Next, I'm going to dip a brush in acetone and you want to just blend it into the cuticle. This just melts the nail tip and helps it not lift. I'm just going to coat the nails in black polish. I'm going to do 2 coats of this Beetles polish. This is just the background for my airbrush design that I'm going to do after this. It's important that the first coat is more precise and the second coat you can just pretty much go over and fill in the lines. After that, I just mixed gel polish and acetone in my nail brush machine. And you want to kind of go in at an angle and try not to get it on the skin. But if you do get it on the skin, use a brush dipped in acetone or alcohol and just wipe it off afterwards. Make sure to put your hand in the lamp for 1 minute to cure the airbrush designs intact. Now I'm using a rhinestone glue and just putting the rhinestones where I want to and making sure to flash cure them after every nail so it doesn't slide around when I'm doing the next nail as well. I got the rhinestones off of Amazon and the nail glue is the McCart nail glue. This is the Beetles top coat, but I also recommend using Koopa top coat. It makes it very shiny as well. After curing that for 1 minute, I put on some cuticle oil and then you're done. If you liked the content or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.